In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Vlookup function in Excel. First, let's look at example here. On the left, from A4 to C12 is a data sheet. Each observation has 3 data points, and there are 9 observations. First, let me define the data range, name it as range, and then let's look at a couple of Vlookup functions. The first Vlookup function is to look at value 1 in column 1 in the range, and then return the corresponding value in column 1. True means here is approximate less than or equal 1, a value in column 1. Therefore, the result of this function is 0.946. The second Vlookup function, the only difference is return a value in column 2. Note that true is by default, so if you do not write true, Excel is going to interpret it as true. Therefore, the return value is 2.17. The third Vlookup is return a value of column 3. Therefore, the result is 100. The fourth Vlookup function is to look up an exact value 0.746 in column 1 and then return the corresponding value in column 3. Therefore, the result is 200. The fourth Vlookup function is look at value 0.1 less than or equal 0.1 and then return the corresponding value in column 2. However, in first column, there's no value less than or equal than 0.1. Therefore, the result is not available. The sixth Vlookup function is look at a value less than or equal to and then return the second column for the same observation. The value less than or equal to and the closest to 2 is 1.29 and then return the value in column 2. Therefore, the result is 1.71. There you go. The Vlookup, the V refers vertical, so going to always look at the column and then return a value in the same column or other columns, whichever you specify. If your observation is put in columns rather than in rows, then you're going to use H-lookup. However, the logic will be the same as Vlookup. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like or subscribe.